exam. Sometimes you can enter into the exam, you find they put for you calcium carbonate decomposes to calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, so then they ask you, first you have to balance the equation. Okay, this one, is it balanced? Okay, this one is already balanced. There's calcium 1 there, calcium 1 there, oxygen there are 3, even here there are 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, this one's already balanced. Here they can say find the mass of carbon dioxide produced. CO2 means carbon dioxide. I can put it in words if you want. Find the mass of carbon dioxide produced when 3 grams of calcium carbonate decomposes or breaks down. Okay, decomposes or breaks down. Okay, so I told you, whenever you have got such questions, you always look at what are your point of interest, what are you dealing with. So it means I'm dealing with the mass of, find the mass of carbon dioxide. So it means my point of interest is 1, carbon dioxide produced when 20 grams of calcium carbonate. So it means my point of elements I'm dealing with is calcium carbon dioxide and calcium carbonate. It means I'm supposed to find the relative masses of these, the masses of these. That's what I'm supposed to find first. So I'll start with the mass of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, you remember how to do the mass. I said carbon, you pick it from the periodic table, it is 12 there. Oxygen, you pick it from the periodic table, there it's 8. There it's 8 down, on top it's 16. I think by this time you already know how to do this. So here there is 1, so 1 times you pick 1 times you pick 12 there, 1 times 12. Okay, 1 times 12. Yes, 1 times 12 in brackets plus oxygen is 2. 2 times what's oxygen there? 16. 16. What do you have there? 16 times 2 is 32. 32 plus 12. What is 32 plus 12? This is 12 plus 32. What do you have? 44. So it means 44 grams. Okay. So carbon dioxide is 44 grams. Then they said the other mass is what? We're letting calcium carbonate. You come on the formula. You always you use the one that is in the formula, please. Check in the formula. Calcium carbonate is this one. You pick it also the way it is in the formula. If there was 2 in front here, if there was 2 here in front, you pick it. If there was 2 there, you pick it the way it is with a 2. But now there is nothing, so you just pick it like that. So we're now dealing with calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate, we also deal with the mass for this one. Mass for calcium carbonate, calcium, it is Ca 20 there, 40 on top. Okay. Carbon, you remember how to do this. I think by this time you know how to pick these from the periodic table. I don't need to do them for you. You can pick these on your own. I think I can just do it quick. I think by this time you have learned how to do it on your own. On your own. Okay. So the mass for this is 1 times 40. I'm doing it now in my mind. I think you know where I'm getting these numbers from. From the periodic table, 1 times Z, 1 times 12. That is 3 times Z, 16. When you calculate this, I'm sure when you do this, it should give you 100, I believe, but verify it. I'm just trying to teach you the principle on how to do this. So the mass for calcium carbonate is 100. Okay? The mass for carbon dioxide we have found. The mass for calcium carbonate we have found. That's when you relate them. You can only relate them when you find the two masses. So you formulate a formula by writing two things there. The first thing you write is calcium. First you write carbon dioxide, which is what you found first. The second thing was calcium carbonate. The second thing was calcium carbonate. Okay? These are the ones that we are finding. There were no numbers in front here, even there. So we put, what was the mass for calcium carbonate? I mean carbon dioxide. You come to the formula there. What was the mass for carbon dioxide? It's 44. You can see here, 44. So here you put 44. The mass for calcium carbonate is what? We have already calculated it is 100. So it's 100. So you put 100 there. Okay? Then you go back to the question. I want to find out where the X is. Okay? Find the mass of carbon dioxide produced. So it means the X should be on the carbon dioxide when 3 grams of calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate should be 3 grams. Carbon dioxide, that's what you're looking for, should be X. Then you make X a subject. You remember how to do this. Okay? 100 times X, you don't have to cross multiply, guys. 100 times X is equal to, 100 times X there is equal to 144 times 3. So 100 X 44 times 3. You divide by 100, you divide by 100. You cancel this, and then you do that, and then divide it by 100 down. That is your answer in grams. That's how you solve this. So first, when they ask you that this element of sunshine combined with 20 grams of this, you write the two compounds, you find their masses. After you find their masses using the periodic table, that's when you compare them and then you show where the X is and you cross multiply.